Alright guys, hello and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about converting degrees to radians and converting radians to degrees. First thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and write this formula on the top of your paper. 2 pi radians equals 360 degrees. I'm just going to go ahead and write a few examples here. Alright. Now for this particular problem, they give you 45 degrees and they want you to tell them how many radians that is equal to. So we're going to take this formula up here and we're going to solve to get degrees by itself. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite it. Alright, what do you need to do to get degrees by itself? You simply divide both sides by 360. This leaves you with 2 pi radian over 360 is equal to 1 degree, and this simplifies to just pi over 180 radian equals 1 degree. So you know that you could write 45 as 45 over 1. We're going to multiply it by the conversion factor that we just found by solving for degrees from this original equation, which we know is pi over 180. Multiplying, you just multiply across the numerator, across the denominator. So leaves you with 45 pi over 180, which actually simplifies down to just pi over 4. So it's safe to say that 45 degrees is equal to pi over 4 radians. On this particular problem, they're giving you a measure in radians and they want you to convert it to degrees. Draw this box up here so you know that this is a separate I'm just going to go ahead and rewrite this master formula here. Instead of solving for degrees, they gave me radians. They gave me a measure in radians. So I'm going to want to get radians by itself. So instead of dividing by 360, you go ahead and divide both sides by 2 pi. Gives me 1 radian is equal to 360 over 2 pi degrees. Of course, these simplify, leaving us with 1 radian equals 180 over pi degrees. We can go ahead and use this conversion factor we just found by isolating radians, because they are starting off with a measure in radians. Again, I pi over 2. You're going to multiply it by the conversion factor. Just going to leave us with 180 pi divided by 2 pi. Right off the bat, we see these 2 pi's cancel, leaving us with 180 divided by 2, which we know to be 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Let's just do one more example, just to make sure you guys have the hang of this. So they give you negative 135 degrees and want you to tell them what that is in radians. Alright, so you're starting with degrees. So again, you're going to solve this formula right here to isolate degrees, which we know you end up with pi over 180 radians is equal to 1 degree. So you're going to take, again, you can write 135 as 135 over 1. In this case, it's negative. You're going to multiply it by the conversion factor of pi over 180. Just going to leave you with, again, just multiply across the numerator, multiply across the denominator. Negative 135 pi over 180. Which actually simplifies down. Negative 3/4 pi. Alright, I'm gonna let you guys go for now. I'm gonna make another video with some more examples so you can really get this dialed down, and I'll see you next time.